Okay, so what do you do if iOS 16.6 isn't showing up here in settings? Well, this is actually going to be a very easy fix. All you need to do is go into Safari. Next, search for beta.apple.com. And once you're here, go down to Get Started. Then, once you're here, just go to the Get Started section and press on the button that says Enroll your iOS device. And next, scroll down to the bottom and press on Download Profile. And then a pop-up will show up, so you'll just need to press on Allow. And next, just go over to Settings. Then go back here and press on Profile Downloaded. Press on Install, press on it again, and select it a third time. And then you'll need to restart your iPhone before doing the next step. Now once your iPhone has been restarted, just go into Settings. Next, go over to General and press on Software Update. And once you're here, you'll see that iOS 16.6 will show up. Now there is a very high chance that iOS 17 shows up instead, and if that's the case, you can update to iOS 17, but if you want to stay on iOS 16, go into the beta update section of the software update page, and you'll see an option for iOS 16 beta, so just select that. And once you've done that, you'll see the iOS 16.6 update show up here, so just go ahead and download it. And once you've done that, you'll have iOS 16.6 on your iPhone. Now that is it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.